Hello guys, here welcome to Form Follows function, and here we today in this video we will see home tour with semi-furnished kitchen, as this house is for selling purpose, so not yet fully furnished, and this one is for sample purpose only to show the client, and then client can hire the architect or the interior designers to complete it, or you can contact me as well for any architectural purpose. So here this is a porch and space for car parking plus two bike and having gallery on all the four sides. Here we enters the house, and you can see this space can be used for living and drawing purpose. Here is full light and ventilation, and for the window they use the arch which is precast. And from here you have the access to stairs and having one bedroom on the ground floor with a good space, the bedroom having attached dressing and toilet with proper ventilation. Here we move out from the bedroom, and from the gallery we moving toward the dining or the kitchen area. Kitchen having the small store space with the shelves. The glossy tiles are used with the black granite on the kitchen slab. Separate door entry which is connected to the outside gallery can be used for the utility purpose or for the maid entry as well. Direct gas pipeline is given for the gas connection on the slab. The color combination of purple with white is looking amazing, but you can change it as per your interior colors or theme. You can see there is a wash basin and common toilet just near the stairs in the gallery. Now we move to the first floor, where we will see 3 rooms and 1 store and balcony. This is the first room just near to the staircase with attached dressing and bathroom. Now in the gallery opposite to this room there are another 2 bedrooms and the store. This is the bedroom of a small size, but it can be used for the kids. It's also having the attached toilet. Now we enters to the toilet or the dressing of the master bedroom. It is the best room with the tapered roof and having the attached balcony, and for the entry of the balcony the large glass sliding door is there, and balcony having arches and the circular column. This is the home tour of the under construction site, that to understand as an architect or the builder at what level of work you need to done for the selling purpose, and also helpful for the architecture student to see the site work or the planning of the house. Hope you guys love the content I share. Hit the like and subscribe button, and also join me on Instagram. Link is available in the description.